Getting started with React is no longer complicated as it was before. In this video, we will learn about the fastest way to bootstrap a modern React project. No, we are not going to use the deprecated CRA or create React application that has been causing pain for developers for centuries. But we will employ something called Vite, which means blazingly fast in French. So, what's the only thing that stands between you and your first React app? You need a runtime that lets you run JavaScript outside the browser. Node.js. Start by heading to the official Node.js website. Hit the Get Node.js button and pick your operating system. Either copy and paste the shown commands to your terminal or just download the corresponding binary. After running the command or downloading the binary, let's confirm that it's indeed installed by opening our terminal and typing node-version. If a message that looks like this appears after running the command, then congratulations, Node.js is successfully installed. Now that Node.js is ready, one command is all it takes to get your entire React project up and running. Head over the Vite website, hit Get Started, and scroll down until you find this command. This command creates your project boilerplate and installs both Vite and React for you. Vite itself mainly handles two things. It serves your code during development while offering features such as hot reload. It also bundles your JavaScript, HTML, and other assets together when you are ready for production. Node.js comes with npm out of the box, a package manager that installs your project dependencies. But I personally use pnpm instead, and here is why it's better. It caches your dependencies globally, and it reuses them across projects. That makes everything way faster and more economical, especially if you use mobile data. So you can either copy this command and run it straight away, or install pnpm globally. In case you've gone with the pnpm path and installed it globally, you just have to replace npm with pnpm in the previous command. Now that we've run the command, Vite CLI is going to walk you through a quick setup. Let's go with Hello World as a project name. Since we are building a React app, let's select React. Now it's asking us to choose between JavaScript or TypeScript. Honestly, I prefer TypeScript because its static typing improves IDE autocompletions and makes the developer experience much smoother. Let's just skip the two remaining options. The moment you hit enter, Vite CLI creates your project. As soon as it's done, navigate to it by typing cd hello world. After that, install the dependencies by running npm install or pnpm install. Once the installation is done, let's run the following command. pnpm run dev. The latter will start the development server on http localhost 5173. Just click on this URL while holding Ctrl, or just copy paste it into the browser. Finally, your project is ready. Open it using your preferred IDE, go into the app.tsx file located within the src folder. Change something there and voila! The change is reflected instantly on the web page. So this is all it takes to get your project up and running with Vite. Literally one single command. But looking at this file tree might be a source of anxiety, right? So instead of blowing everything, we must understand the generated boilerplate code. In the next video of this series, we are going to explore every file and folder of this intimidating Halloween tree. Until then, happy coding!